Hello programmers around the world. Android Nerd is here. Today I am going to show you how to be better programmer. Number 1. Stop trying to prove yourself right. To become great, not just good, you have to learn from experience. But be careful, experience can teach us to repeat poor behavior and to create bad habits. Always accept other people onions. Look at everything you do and ask yourself, how can I make this better? Number 2. The code works isn't where you stop, it's where you start. Yes, your first step is always to write quality software that fulfills the spec. Average programmers quit at that point and move on to the next thing. But to stop once it's done is like taking a snapshot and expecting it to be a work of art. Great programmers know that the first iteration is just the first iteration. It works, congratulations, but you aren't done. Now, make it better. Number 3. Write it 3 times. Good programmers write software that works. Great ones write software that works exceedingly well. That rarely happens on the first try. The best software usually is written 3 times. First, you write the software to prove to yourself, or a client, that the solution is possible. Others may not recognize that this is just a proof of concept, but you do. The second time, you make it work. The third time, you make it work right. Number 4. Test your code. So you finished typing your 1000 line of code and you are rushing to publish it? Wait, and take a deep breath and test it and fix all the possible error and exceptions. Don't just test it alone, let others help you. Sometimes the bug can't be visible with couple of runs. Number 5. Find people who inspire you. Over the years there have been many people that I looked up to and watched for new tech. I learned a lot by simply trusting they were right and digging into things they worked on. These people tend to be very productive, brilliant, and inspiring. Find them and let them inspire and teach you. Number 6. Don't devalue your work. Newer programmers tend to feel like their work isn't worth much because they are new. Or maybe you are an experienced programmer, but working in a new area that makes you uncomfortable. In my opinion, some of the best ideas come from newer programmers who see improvements to existing tech that those who have already formed opinions don't see. Number 7. Research. Before you start typing codes and trying to make a program, you should always start with a research, to know if your idea is new or already done before, so your project don't get wasted. Also to know what you should do, and how to start. Also, if you faced any problem, research will help you find the is and wheres. Number 8. Don't be afraid to ask. Okay, searching did not work well and you couldn't get your answers. There are a lot of websites that allow programmers to ask whatever they want so others can help them. First, look if your problem is already been asked before. If not, ask and you will get help. Number 9. Think before you type. Programming is not about typing codes. It is a way of thinking. Before you type a single code, you should know what you need to do and how you will do it. Just think about the problem and find the results, then start typing. Number 10. Never give up. I know that programming can be frustrating and annoying, especially when the code you are working on don't work or has tons of bugs you don't know how to fix. But every problem can be solved if you take your time and concentrate and keep trying step by step, and your problem will be solved. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to see more videos.